Hello and welcome to our FutureNet advertising program, FutureAdPro. Are you interested in making money online without having to sponsor a single person, without having to sell anything to anybody? Would you like to participate in this company's total success and turnover starting from day one? Well, lucky you. Today you're in the right place at the right time. FutureAdPro offers everybody the chance to generate income from the online advertising market, wherever you are in the world. We're the only social media platform that offers you participation in advertising revenues. Let's have a look at the online advertising market. Globally, approximately $1 billion is spent on internet advertising every day, and the trend is dramatically on the rise. There are more than 1 billion websites worldwide, and every single site aspires to gain more visitors. This is where our FutureNet advertising program comes in. From now on, you can become part of this fascinating market and generate your own income. Look how easy it is. Step 1. You register now, free of charge of course. Step 2. You decide how many $50 advertising packages, or AdPacks, you'd like to own. The more AdPacks you choose, the higher your percentage will be in the company's turnover. Step 3. You click on advertising banners on our website 10 times per day. Step 4. That's it. Now you participate in the company's overall success and turnover, and every 15 minutes, FutureNet credits your bank account with new income. The best news is that you're not required to recruit new people for the system to earn these sums. You do not need to convince others to join. You don't have to sell anything to anybody. All that you need to do is click on the advertising banners 10 times per day. Doesn't that sound tempting? You generate income daily just by clicking on advertisements. Start with your first one today and get your first payment immediately. FutureAdPro offers so much more. Don't you think that this would be an interesting offer to others? Well, for sure it will. After all, millions of people are looking for advanced opportunities to generate income from the internet. If you share this great opportunity with others, you'll get the chance to develop yet another active income source without upper limits. You simply have to present the FutureNet advertising program in this information system, and other people will certainly be enthusiastic about this chance. If they decide to join, you participate in every single AdPack turnover and receive commission payments additionally to your own AdPack revenues. The best news ever is you get paid down to the 5th level of recommendations. For more details, please check the marketing plan. Join us now and get your first income today.